Go light it up. We gon' go all night.
So our producer thinks we have nothing better to do, so she's given us a 12-year-old child that we have to prepare lunch for.
12?
In other words, I prepare lunch at Harrow. She scattered the ingredients randomly on the set, and we're supposed to find it, prep it, and pack it one by one.
Look here, me can't reach up this, miss.
Yeah.
I'm 5
So we must go now, we must go on.
5'6" in heels. Why these bananas look like this? I don't like how bananas when they turn brown, you know.
So we not have to prep this. This not make already?
How about that?
One nice wrap.
Oh, it's a wrap.
So what I need to put the nut more to that?
Dun, 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 dun.
Sure. This feels tough. I want this. Tamaya, this not gonna cut up for this morning. It can't cut up for this morning. Oh God, not 12-year-old pitney not gonna eat this. Seriously? Yeah!
Garbage, you cannot give anybody that.
I'm not going to give them. Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, good. I like this game.
You know, so they have graters for these things. Why they make Jackie Tyson leave? That 12-year-old not gonna eat more than when me cut up here now. Lord help me, Jesus. I wasted it so.
What happened?
Tamaya, which 12-year-old I gonna eat cucumber and carrot? The carrot are tough, boy. I not lie. The pine, Tamaya, you know it's hard to peel pine. What is she doing?
I'm taking out the cover.
See me. You want some carrot?
What is this, Sam?
Oh my gosh.
I put the sandwich over there. We'll have half a apple.
Tamaya. She's a mama.
Because she has to share and mommy has to get the other half.
Me have to go peel orange.
Never. Half a banana. I'm gonna give her a cucumber.
Oh, what's supposed to look? Teeth! Teeth! Simone, your teeth, my teeth out. Teeth! Teeth! Simone, you put foil paper for the child eat?
There's a apple into there. I don't want it to turn brown. You know, sometimes when you leave it out, it turn brown.
Show me what this somewhere. Oh, you said it's supposed to look, Tamaya? Show me back. But I'm going to give them something that's how it looks, so.
Can you turn the knife like?
Oh.
But she never shows that at the start.
Oh.
She never shows that from the start.
I saw if you look. You see?
3.
We were not told that that's how it was supposed to
She really
look.
like cucumber, but
Yeah.
boy,
Where you said?
I'm still going to keep this in the file. Why are you taking my half a banana? Really not very good at snacks. Did you know?
Cucumber? Why must I cut it? You're not my picnic. I'm not preparing it for you.
Why you put that into my container, Delia?
It's not me, it's Jody. Tamaya, I want to order lunch something and mix up stuff. It have banana, it have carrot, it have cucumber,
half
it
a
have
banana.
all kind of something. Why it have so much something?
If you put the banana with the apple cut
The
up,
orange
it's going to
and
contaminate
the orange
it.
and butter.
So all you have to do,
You did take some of me carrot. No, Tamaya, nobody's touching the pine. I just want to tell us that nobody not touch the pine.
yeah.
Shoop, shoop, shoop.
So why you cutting more of that if you don't teeth off mine already?
Shoop. Come in and peel no pine. That don't
Start
look
the
good.
orange and you stop the orange, right?
The orange butter.
It don't matter. You were just
Butter.
not feeling it proper.
It never buy a one proper place.
Don't bother come over here
Time
first
out.
when you
No,
done.
I can't time out. Wait. I can't time out yet. Wait.
Jesus, Dela, where you go with that, Dela?
You can't cut.
The rhyme from the orange is catching into my eye. The rhyme.
This doll.
Time to peel that. Dela, you don't love your child.
What?
That is straight hospital.
No, sir.
Okay.
Wait. Look at that. Look, when I will take it from this angle. So then see the pineapple man. Come now, Jody, him see the oh my Wally, come now, youth.
You're trying to kill your
Take
child.
it from this angle so you see the
That for
pineapple.
sure is not healthy.
Come now, oh my Wally. It's the top of it you can't see from the side.
So my child would have a orange,
Why may I tell
some
you?
cucumber, carrots,
And my
banana,
child is going to have a personality.
and a wraps.
Look at pineapple, man. She's going to go to school. No, I better me go over Arrow. Yeah, I'm a wally. Where you go? Me go over Arrow because you not work with me. Come, Mr. Arrow. Yeah, see the man, pineapple man. When me try to go to school and say everybody.
Which of these lunch? Look, I can make better sense.
Pineapple. Them never say it must make sense.
So let me ask you a
Pineapple
question.
man.
How are you going to cover this to send your child to school?
Me I drive him go to school.
Yeah, but how are you going to cover it?
No,
Fine?
right. When him come out of the camera, I'm going to say, Miss, today in our class, we are going to talk about pineapple man. Pineapple man. He lives in a tree in the country.
Thank you for breakfast,
Pineapple man. We're going to count with pineapple.
Carrot is good.